came from a friend of mine. She was talking about a brand, or I'm sorry, a company that's called Glow and Grow. Glow. Okay, I did get that correct. I'm very new with this, so I apologize. So they gave this like cute little bag, which I really love because it's just simple and it's a nice thank you, but it's so sophisticated and simple. Instead of just a normal like, oh, thank you for shopping with us or whatever, those kind of bags. And I figured she got me something really cute from them and thought that I would like it. Oh, that's so cute. So this is their packaging of the little product that she got me. And this is their thank you. So it says, thank you for your order. We love seeing pictures of our customers with their new products. Tag us in your pictures of you in your new products. And then it gives you a list on how you can like contact them, link up with them, speak with them. So that was really cute. Stretchy. Oh, I love this. So this is the backing. Instead of just being a full headband like all the way around like thick, you have this like really nice elastic, which should be pretty comfortable on your head. So regardless if you have no hair to full body hair, which is great, I feel like this would be super cute. And their logo is just adorable. I really, really love this. So try this on because I'm one of those people. Once I get something, I have to try it on. Oh, this would be cute for working out. It feels comfortable. And it would keep my hair back the way that I like. This is cute. I really like this. Hope you guys like this too. I would say definitely check out the Glow and Grow. And yeah, definitely check them out. They're fantastic. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and they have a website, which I'll link in, and all of their contact information. So let me know what you guys think of them.